Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you the boxing. Today's session will be only to explain you how to use your body mechanics and the boxing for MMA, mixed martial arts. So this is how we're going to start. Make sure that you warm up. I'm not going to show warm up today because you've already been through with the warm up. Any training you do, make sure you warm up, and after warm up you make sure that the stretching will cool down as well. And let's begin. Now, to have a decent boxing training, you must have pads. You must have equipment actually, which is equipment. Basic equipment is pads, pair of pads and pair of gloves, and if you have a skipping rope it will be better as well. Yes, and comfortable t-shirt, jogging pants. It's important your equipment, which is you're comfortable in that way. In different martial art, different art, anything you do, you need to have a suitable equipment or your suitable clothes. So if you have that, I'm sure you're going to prepare that, or you must be have already. Now when you're ready now, remember gloves, pads, focus pad, gloves. This is very important, but you don't have today, you don't need today, because today you need to understand the mechanics, your wrist, how to use the shoulders, hips. Example, for now, if I say boxing starts, you know how your left foot forward, right foot back here. This is the boxing stance. From here goes up. From here, your rotation very important. From here, and back. Remember, boxing start from this level here, upper, your face level, and then you start from, start from here and here, whatever, jab and here, cross and here, hook and here, uppercut and here. Every time you're protecting your face. So from there, remember your footwork is your balance. It shouldn't be karate here, or too close is bad. Your balance, you get your center gravity to good balance. You'll be able to duck, side to side, move back, forward. This movement will be good if you have good balance. From there on, remember here, start with the jab. I want you to do 30 seconds of jab. I will only do 5 now. Start from here, remember here, twist, and back. It's almost here, like this. Do this, turn back with the shield, turn here, back like shield. Now close, 1, 2, make sure not from here. This is, you do karate. From here, boxing, 1, 2. I only do 30 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you do 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you do with me. I will be doing 30 counts. Ready? 1, 2. Using the hip. 1, 2. You lean forward, not too much. Lean forward. Example, target here. Back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look at the footwork. Push forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now cross. 1. Cross, more pivot, more hip, more force, more hip, heavier. Go 1, and cross through the target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax shoulders. Now another 30 seconds, jab cross. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you doing with me? Follow me. Doing me continuously. 60 seconds now. You're going to do 60 seconds. I'm going to only do another 10 seconds. Ready? Go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Continue. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Don't stop. Come on. Yes. Okay. Now that's a jab, cross. Jab, cross. Now we're going to go hook. Okay? Hook. Pay attention. This leg here. When you're doing hook, should be like an L shape in front of your face or your shin level. Guard, still the guard. From here start and pivot. Yeah. So you're involving your body mass, your weight to the pump. From here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly again. 1. Back to the guard position. 2. Back again. 3, 4, 5. The first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 2, 30 now. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Okay, we did jab, we did cross, we did hook. Now, what will be the next? Come on to me, what will be? That's right. Uppercut. Up. Remember, anything you do, back again here to right position. Yep, 1. Yep. Your leg from here. From here, a little push as well from here. 1. Yep. 2. 3. From here. So you drop, your body drop. You're not moving your hand here. You're not giving a space for the other attacks. This one here. Drop weight. Drop weight. There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Well done. I want you to do one end of the video. Go through it again. Set up the time. Ask your parents to set up the time. A 3 minutes round. Every technique you have to do with your 3 minutes setup round, at least 10 rounds. Okay. Now we're gonna go. Each pattern is 10 rounds. 10. Example: jab, cross, 3 minutes round. Jab, cross, hook, 3 minutes round. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut, 3 minutes round. Now we're going to do combination of 3 sets. I'm only going to do 5 reps. Yep. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Faster go. Now you do 3 minutes. After watching this training video, later on you can rewind again, play again, do 3 minutes round. Now jab, cross, hook, uppercut. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys up. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So, make sure technique correct. You rewind, understand the technique right. I'm sure your parents will be help. I'm sure your brothers, your sisters will be help. Everyone together you can do. Enjoy, have a good and fun time. But make sure until you sweat, you train. Yeah, everything is hard. But if you don't work hard, you can't achieve anything. But I know all my students work hard. I know you guys here watching carefully because you are serious. Yeah, okay, until next week, Assalamu alaikum and see you soon.